The poem How to Tell Wild Animals presents some qualities of lion, tiger, leopard, bear, crocodile, hyena, and chameleon. The poet tells some ways to identify these animals. The poet tells us that how can we identify these animals, but really the ways are humorous and risky. The poet gives beautiful description of the Asian lion and Bengal tiger. In this poem, the poet explains the Asian lion and Bengal tiger. Then she points out about the leopard and the bear. The leopard has black spots all over the body, and the bear attacks upon its enemy by hugging. जो लेपर्ड है उसकी बॉडी पे क्या होता है, ब्लैक स्पॉट्स होते हैं, और जो बियर है वो अपने एनिमी पे कैसे अटैक करता है, बाय हगिंग द एनिमी. There is great difficulty to differentiate between hyena and crocodile. While hyena can be identified for its smiling face and the crocodile for its tears. क्रोकोडाइल टीयर्स के लिए क्यों कैसे पहचाना जाता है कि क्रोकोडाइल के टीयर्स को क्या बोलते हैं, झूठे आंसू. किसी को बोला जाता है ना, डोंट शेड क्रोकोडाइल टीयर्स, कि झूठे आंसू मत बहाओ. So the crocodile is known for its tears and hyena for its smile. Means कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बड़ा मुंह पे तो बहुत हंसते हैं, बहुत स्माइल देते हैं, तो हमें कुछ ऐसे लोगों से भी बच के रहना चाहिए. Their smile is like hyena smile, कि वो मुंह पे तो हंसेंगे और पीछे से आपके ऊपर अटैक भी कर सकते हैं. Then the poet describes that chameleon is a sort of lizard species. Chameleon क्या है, ये lizard की species का होता है, and it has no ears and no wings, right? So let us start the reading explanation of the poem. It is, if ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. So the explanation is not difficult. Everything is very much clear from the lines only, that the poetess says that if ever you should go by chance, suppose you get a chance to go to any forest in the east. To jungles in the east means you get a chance to go to the forests in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, and suppose a huge terrible animal comes to you. Suppose in the forest of east a large terrible animal comes towards you. अगर कोई large animal, tawny is the brownish yellow, animal आपकी तरफ आता है, if he roars at you as you are dying, and if it roars very loudly, means if it roars so loudly that from its roar you think that you are going to die, then you will know it is the Asian lion. Then you must understand that which is this animal? This animal is none other than Asian lion. Right? Is that clear? I think it is very much clear to everyone. Next stanza. Or if sometime when roaming round a noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on a yellow ground. Just notice if he eats you. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. Then, now it is the second stanza is about the Bengal tiger. Or if sometime when roaming round a noble wild beast greets you. Right? So here the poet says that now suppose while roaming is wandering, by wandering or roaming in a jungle, a noble wild beast greets you. Greets means welcomes you. A wild animal with ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स ऑन अ येलो ग्राउंड मीन्स जो बेस है स्किन का वो क्या होगा येलो होगा और बॉडी के ऊपर क्या होगी ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स होंगी जैसे ये बना हुआ है राइट इट इज द येलो कलर इज नॉट वेरी मच क्लियर बट it is written that on a yellow ground if black stripes are there just notice if he eats you. Suppose when you move in a jungle, you are wandering in a forest, and suppose an animal with yellowish skin and black stripes on the skin greets you, means welcomes you, and just notice if he eats you, and just notice that this animal eats you, then this simple rule will teach you that this simple rule may help you learn. From this simple rule, you may understand that you have seen a Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger to discern means you have seen a Bengal tiger. Is it clear up to here? Up till here? Then, if strolling forth a beast you view, whose hide with spots is peppered, as soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. It will do no good to roar with pain. He'll only lap and lap again. So it is said that now if strolling forward, strolling is venturing, forward means forward. So if you move forward and you see an animal whose hide with spots is peppered, whose hide is covered. Hide is skin here. Whose skin? Suppose you see an animal whose skin is covered with marks. Peppered is covered with spots or marks, and it jumps at you and starts eating you. As soon as he has leapt on you, means leapt here means jumps, and it jumps at you and starts eating you, you will know it is the leopard. Then you will understand that it is a leopard. There will be it will do no good to roar with pain. There will be no use of shouting with pain. And suppose you come across a leopard, then there is no use of you shouting with pain. कि अगर आप किसी लेपर्ड की पकड़ में आ जाते हो तो आपके चिल्लाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है because it will continuously eat you. क्योंकि जो लेपर्ड है जब आप इसकी पकड़ में आ गए हो तो लेपर्ड आपको खाके ही छोड़ेगा बिना खाए नहीं छोड़ेगा right is it clear so That's